Oppo has announced its new smartphone under A series in India called Oppo A15s, and although it looks similar to the earlier launched Oppo A15 smartphone, but it has some changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A15s supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a tall 88.7% skin to body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A15s features a triple camera setup on the rear in a square module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top, and it comes backed by 4230 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A15s has been priced in India at 11,490 Indian rupees, and it will be available for purchase in the country starting from December 21st in dynamic black, fancy white and rainbow silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A15s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSoulBug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.